Welcome to the Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. As immigrants ourselves, we have experienced firsthand the excitement of starting anew while navigating the complexities of life in America. Our podcast was born out of a deep desire to offer support and guidance to others like us, those who are already living here or dreaming of making the leap. Each week, we share 3 thoughtfully crafted episodes that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving professional success and mastering financial literacy. Our mission is simple: to empower you with valuable insights and practical advice as you chart your own path in this diverse land. Whether you're seeking tips on improving your English skills or looking for inspiration on how to thrive in your new environment, we're here for you every step of the way. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA. Welcome to the Immigrants in the United States of America podcast. For the next few months, our podcast episodes published on Fridays will include excerpts from Maestro Sersea's eBook, Amazing Road Trips in the United States of America, to help you discover interesting destinations throughout the United States of America. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Thank you for joining today's podcast episode of Immigrants in the United States of America. Today, we will focus on Maestro Sersea's ebook, Amazing Road Trips in the United States of America. Today, we focus on Chapter 1, The Great American Road Trip, with subchapters, Essential Road Trip Gear, and Navigating the American Highways. Are you ready? Let's begin. Chapter 1: The Great American Road Trip. Essential Road Trip Gear. 1. Snacks. No road trip would be complete without a wide array of snacks to keep you energized and satisfied throughout the journey. When it comes to choosing snacks, I always opt for a healthy balance of both savory and sweet treats. Granola bars, mixed nuts, and dried fruits are excellent options for quick and nutritious bites. I also recommend packing fresh fruits like apples, grapes, and oranges, as they provide essential vitamins and hydration. Additionally, it's essential to have a cooler or insulated bag to store perishable items such as yogurt, cheese, and sandwiches. Remember to pack plenty of water to stay hydrated, as well as some indulgent snacks like chocolate or cookies for those special moments of indulgence on the road. 2. Entertainment. Long stretches of driving can sometimes become monotonous, making it crucial to have an arsenal of entertainment options to keep yourself and your companions entertained. One of my all-time favorite entertainment choices is an audiobook or a carefully curated playlist that matches the mood and rhythm of the road. Whether you prefer gripping mystery novels, heartwarming memoirs, or the soulful melodies of your favorite artists, these audio companions will make the miles fly by. Another great option is to have a variety of road trip games ready, such as the classic 20 Questions, I Spy, or even a game of Would You Rather. These games not only entertain, but also encourage conversation and bonding with your fellow road trippers. Lastly, I highly recommend bringing a camera or smartphone to capture the breathtaking landscapes and memorable moments you encounter along the way. 3. Safety equipment. Safety should always be a top priority on any road trip adventure. Therefore, it is essential to have the appropriate safety equipment on hand. First and foremost, ensure that your car is in excellent condition with regular maintenance checks, especially before embarking on a long journey. Always carry a spare tire, jack, and tire iron in case of a flat tire. It's also wise to have a basic toolkit containing a wrench, pliers, and screwdrivers to handle any minor issues that may arise. Additionally, don't forget to pack a first aid kit with essential items such as Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, and pain relievers. Take note of any necessary medications and ensure you have an ample supply for the entire trip. Lastly, invest in a good roadside emergency kit that includes items like jumper cables, a flashlight, and reflector triangles to ensure you are prepared for any unforeseen circumstances. 4. Useful gadgets. In this modern age, we are fortunate to have access to an array of useful gadgets that can greatly enhance our road trip experience. One gadget I highly recommend is a portable GPS navigation system or a smartphone with reliable navigation applications. Not only will this help you stay on track and save time, but it will also allow you to explore new and exciting routes that you may not have considered. Another indispensable gadget is a car charger, as it will ensure that your devices are always powered up and ready for use. Additionally, a portable power bank can prove invaluable, especially in areas where electricity may be limited. This way, you can recharge your phone, camera, or even your portable speakers whenever necessary. Lastly, I suggest investing in a hands-free Bluetooth headset for safe and legal phone use while driving. By packing these essential items for your road trip, you will be well prepared for any situation that arises, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable journey across the United States. Remember, it is the little details, like having a healthy snack or an engaging audiobook at your fingertips, that elevate a simple road trip into an extraordinary adventure. So, gather your gear, buckle up, and get ready to explore the wonders that await on the open road. Navigating the American highways. Before embarking on any road trip, it is crucial to familiarize oneself with the highway system. The United States boasts an extensive network of more than 164,000 miles of highways, offering a multitude of choices for travelers. From the iconic Route 66, stretching from Chicago to Los Angeles, to the breathtaking Pacific Coast Highway, winding along the California coastline, each highway has its own unique charm and allure. To make the most of your road trip, it is essential to plan your route in advance and select the highways that align with your interests and desired destinations. Once on the road, one of the first things you will encounter are the road signs. These signs play a pivotal role in ensuring the safety of all drivers. It is vital to understand and interpret the various signs to navigate the highways successfully. In the United States, road signs follow a standardized system with clear and distinct symbols that convey important information. For example, the iconic green signs indicate destinations, while red signs signify regulatory instructions or prohibitions. Understanding the meanings of these signs can prevent confusion and keep you on the right track. Speed limits are another important aspect of navigating American highways. Each state has its own set of speed limits, which can vary depending on several factors such as the type of road, weather conditions, and surrounding areas. It is crucial to abide by these speed limits to ensure your safety and the safety of others on the road. Excessive speed is not only a risk to your own life, but also a potential hazard to other drivers. Remember, the purpose of a road trip is not to set speed records, but to enjoy the journey, savoring every detail along the way. When traversing the American highways, you are likely to encounter toll booths. These tolls are a means of funding and maintaining the highways, ensuring their continued existence for future generations. While paying the tolls may seem like an inconvenience, it is essential to comply and have the necessary cash or electronic payment methods readily available. Failure to pay tolls can result in hefty fines and penalties, tarnishing an otherwise delightful road trip experience. Always be prepared and aware of upcoming toll booths, utilizing navigation or online resources to plan for any necessary tolls. To ensure a smooth and safe journey, it is imperative to understand and adhere to the driving rules and regulations in the United States. These rules are in place to ensure harmony and order on the road, preventing accidents and promoting safe driving practices. Some important driving rules to remember are: 1. Drive on the right-hand side. In the United States, driving is done on the right-hand side of the road. Keep to the right and overtake on the left. 2. Follow traffic signals and signs. Stop at red lights, yield to pedestrians and oncoming traffic when necessary, and obey all traffic signs. 3. Use turn signals. Indicate your intent to turn or change lanes using your vehicle's turn signals. This helps other drivers anticipate your next move and prevents accidents. 4. Wear seatbelts. Seatbelt usage is not only common sense, but also a legal requirement in the United States. Ensure that all occupants of your vehicle are wearing seatbelts at all times. 5. No texting and driving. Distracted driving is a leading cause of accidents. Avoid using your phone or any other distractions while driving, focusing solely on the road ahead. 6. Driving under the influence. Never drive under the influence of alcohol or drugs. It is illegal and poses a tremendous risk to yourself and others on the road. By understanding and following these driving rules, you can navigate the American highways with confidence and safety. As you embark on your road trip, it is essential to be prepared for any unforeseen circumstances. Weather conditions can change abruptly, and understanding how to navigate through rain, snow, and fog is crucial. Additionally, it is important to have a basic understanding of vehicle maintenance, ensuring that your car is in optimal condition for the journey. Regularly check your tires, brakes, lights, and fluid levels to prevent any mechanical issues that may arise while on the road. It is always better to be proactive and prepared rather than face unnecessary obstacles or delays. In conclusion, navigating the complex highway system of the United States requires understanding road signs, speed limits, tolls, and important driving rules. By familiarizing yourself with these aspects, planning your route in advance, and staying vigilant while on the road, you can have a truly amazing and unforgettable road trip experience. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination, so savor every moment, take in the breathtaking landscapes, and let the highways guide you towards new adventures. Happy road tripping!
Thank you for listening to today's episode of our Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. Join us again as we share 3 distinct episodes each week that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving personal and professional success and mastering financial literacy. You are invited to also visit our official website for Immigrants in the USA at www.immigrantsinthe.us. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA.